In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to import a CSV file inside of Google Contracts. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to contacts.google.com. Also put a link to that down in the description below. Once you're inside of here, you'll need to sign on to an account, of course, and from here you'll need to see this page right here. Now from here you'll need to go over to the left hand side where you'll see you can create a contact. But if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the import section down here. Once you've done that, you'll need to click on it. And from here, you can see you can import contacts and select the file. Once you select the file, you'll simply need to click the file and then open. And as you can see, file successful. And then you can add it to a label if you want to do that by clicking right here. And you can create a label like so. From here, you'll simply need to click import, and then from here, you can import contacts. And as you can see here, it has now been successfully imported. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!